Fatima pointed out to me something on page number 10, brothers and sisters. At the end of the page, the question is, Vama haza. Do you see that, brothers and sisters? What is the meaning of va? And. And. Va means and. Okay, you know that Arabic language, you can put it into three groups. So what is va? Is it a noun? Is it a verb? What is it? What I didn't say was particle. So it's a particle. Are you with me? It is ataf. So va means and. In English we call it conjunction, and in Arabic we call it ataf. Ataf. Okay. As I said, you can write it down, but you don't have to really memorize it. Waw is ataf. Okay, ataf. In English, we call it conjunction. We say harfu ataf.
So you said ma is ism.
Ma is a ism.
So is the man?
Man is also ism. Man is also ism. Slowly, we will get into it. If I say something and if you can write it, good enough. But don't, sit down to memorize it. It will come to us in the course of our class. Sister Naima? Ism? Ismun. Ismun. Which means noun. Okay? And see, everything is there in the handout, Sister Naima. If it is damir, which is pronounced, then if it is adjective, it is not. And if it is adverb, it is zarf. But again, as I said, when we move slowly ahead, you will become very familiar with them, inshallah. So you got that done. And now we come to zalika. Brother, what is hadha? This. More than that, it's a pronoun. What kind of a pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun. And what do we call in Arabic? Ismu ishara. Again, as I said, don't get stressed that I have to memorize it. No, I will be repeating it and saying to you ismu ishara. After a little while, you will know it is ismu ishara. Okay. Now, what is the difference between this and that? This you use for pointing out things which are closer to you. And that you say for far things. So, both are pronouns, demonstrative pronouns. In Arabic, we'll say, Haza ismul ishara lil qarib, for something that is closer. And zalika ismul ishara lil ba'id. Very simple, very simple. Okay, so Haza qalamun, dhalika babun. What did I say? Haza qalamun, dhalika babun. So when I have to point out something which is far, you just use dhalika. Ready, brother? The question ma is same. Ma dhalika. What is the meaning, brother?
What is that?
What is that now? We are talking about that. Zalika najmun. That is a star. Haza masjidun, which is closer to us. Wazalika. What is the meaning of wazalika? And that is a house. Haza hisanun. This is a horse. Wazalika himarun. Are you with me, brother? Zalika himarun. Now, we want to ask a question. So, we are bringing Hamza in front. Azalika kalbun? La. Zalika kittun. That is a cat. Okay. Ma zalika? Zalika sarirun. Now we come to human being and we say, Man hada wa man dhalika. Who is this and who is that? What is the answer? Hada mudarrisun wa dhalika imamun. Imam, the one who leads us in the prayers. Okay, brother? Ma dhalika, dhalika hajarun. Look at the vowel signs, brother, and try to, inshallah, understand and memorize it. Dhalika hajarun. What is the meaning of hajarun? A big rock. Right? So, Hada sukkarun. Look at the shadda on kaf. Hada sukkarun. Wadhalika labanun. Now, brother, sukkarun. Okay, this is an Arabic word. In English we say sugar, but it has been derived from Arabic. Sugar is derived from sukkarun. Sugar is derived from sukkarun. Are you with me, brothers? Now, again the same thing. Dr. Abdurrahim thinks you know all the vowel signs. No more vowel signs, but you will write down. Ikra waktub. Hada. Sister Salma, you will say sukkarun. Whenever there is a shadda, give justice to shadda and pronounce it properly. Okay? So, now you see, if I write down to you, how will you pronounce? I did not put vowel sign. How do you know it is ki, ta, bun? Because it will come to in your mind. So when you see this, it will come to your mind that it is sukka, shadanka, run. Sukkarun. So every letter in Arabic, every word in Arabic, inshallah, slowly your mind, will retain it. And you will, inshallah, find it easy. Brothers and sisters, those who know Urdu, when you read Urdu, are there any vowel signs? Or ask somebody else who doesn't know Urdu to come and read Urdu paper. They'll get lost. But you don't get lost. Why? Because your mind can identify without the vowel signs. And inshallah, same thing will happen to us. But it will be a slow process and it will be easier if you put an effort into it. Inshallah. So, brother, the first was Hada sukkarun wa dhalika labanun. This is a sugar and that is a milk. Next one, brother. Man dhalika. Who is that? Dhalika imamun. See, now you are writing mun automatically. Mun. It's not there, but you said imamun and we will say mun, inshallah. Adhalika kittun. La. Dhalika kalbun. Dhalika kalbun. Ma hada? Hada hajarun. There is a fatah on jim. Not hajarun, but hajarun. Okay, brother. Al kalimatul jadidatul. Okay, brothers and sisters. Imamun, hajarun, sukkarun, labanun. Do you see that dun coming? Are you with me? Dun coming. Can you see? Okay. Brothers and sisters, because this is intensive course, and because we expect you to go home and sit down and do your homework. Okay? Okay. Inshallah, we will move at a speed because we want to finish this in 7 months. Okay. Now we come to lesson number 3. Little bit, we already did what is definite noun and what is indefinite noun. Yes, brother?
What do you mean by al-kalimatu?
New words. New words. Al-kalimatu jadida. New words. Okay. Now, brothers and sisters, I must remind you, you know, that this is intensive course, and just like taking a course in college or university, that course finishes in 6 months, and you got to, if you go to a college, take a course in computer or in other field, you got to go home and study and be up to date. Same thing applies here. If you will work hard, inshallah, every day, every single day, within 7 months, you will reach a stage that will surprise you, inshallah. That will surprise you, inshallah. But hard work is the key to your success. And I always pray, Ya Allah, make it easy for me to teach, and Ya Allah, make it easy for the students to learn, inshallah. Allah will make it easy for us. Okay. So, what do you see? Baitun Adarsu Thalithu. Lesson number 3. Adarsu Salisu. Adarsu Thalisu. Baitun, what is the meaning of Baitun? A house. Indefinite. Tanween. Make it definite. Al-Bayt. Got the idea? Al-Bayt. Fine, brother. Kitabun, a book. Al-Kitabu. Fine, brother. Qalamun, a pen. Al-Qalamu, the pen. Jamalun, a camel. Al-Jamalu, the camel. Now we come to Al-Kalamu Maksurun. What is the meaning now? Tell me, translate, brothers and sisters. Al-Kalamu Maksurun. Say it loudly. The pen. What did you say? The pen. You started the sentence with the pen. The pen is broken. You started with the. Okay. Now we go to page number 4 in your handout. Keep your handouts open, brothers and sisters. We are all adults here. Inshallah, you will understand very well. What we are covering in one session, brothers and sisters, it will take 2-3 sessions in the weekly course, you know. Okay. What is sentence? When you say a sentence, in Arabic we'll say al-jumlatu, al-jumla. The sentence or a sentence. Jumlatun. Okay. What is the meaning of sentence, brother? What is the meaning of it? Sentence is a group of words which make complete sense, brother. If it does not, a group of words which does not make complete sense, then it is not a sentence. Then we can call it a phrase. Okay, we call it a phrase. So here we are concerned with sentence. Okay.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like the video, and to turn on notifications.
أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا إنا سنلقي عليك قولا ثقيلا